good, LB family? Welcome back to another video on the channel, you guys. If this is your very first time here, my name is LaKimbria Blakes. Today, you guys, we are reinstalling a Phoenix Copper Body Wave wig from Luvme Hair. So if you want to see the way your girl installed, styled, and put this thing together, stay tuned and let's get to it. So today, you guys, we are starting off with our ball cap method. We are all familiar with this ball cap method, nothing new. I like to bring mine all the way down to my chin, only to give it that tightness because I don't want no lift anywhere when I get ready to spray my got to be glue and cut my lace, and cut it off, not the lace, but cut the stocking cap. So I want everything to be right and laid, so that's why I stretch it so far. So at this point, we just spraying it with the got to be glued, and we're just going around the edges, and I'm using my finger to make sure that it doesn't go all the way down in my face, and we just going to make sure that we get it around the edge line as much as possible. So when we go in with the blow dryer, it's blow drying where it's supposed to be blow drying. You feel me?
Blue cheese, I gotta stick to this paper like blue sleep. Bitch, I'm about my chicken like it's a two-piece. You can have your bitch back, she a groupie. She just swallow all my kids in the two.
So once I'm done with the blow dryer, I like to go in with one layer of glue around and in front of my hairline, just so once I get ready to cut, it won't give me that much liftage and I won't have that much to fix once I cut it. It just be killing me how I be trying to peek through this doggone stocking cap knowing your girl cannot see. I am blind as a bat, and this is just hilarious how my eyes is just smushed. But you guys, we are going in with our Ruby Kisses number 15. And I love these Ruby Kisses, baby. This was the best investment that I could have ever done just for my wig. But we're going around the edge line of the stocking cap just to give it a more bald effect that we need. You get what I'm saying? And your girl is about to go bald in 5, 4, a 3, a 2, a 2. Okay, girl, a 2 and a 1. Boom. So you guys, we about to get ready to install this wig. This is your Phoenix Copper wig. Like I said, it is a reinstall. We have had this baby almost a year now, and it might be already past a year. But baby, I am loving this little wig. Everybody loves this wig. They love this color. I get so many compliments on this wig. I get no shedding from this wig. She's just a baby. Like, just take care of her. Like, you guys to get it. It's a baddie. So you guys, I am spraying my wig on the inside with the lace with my spray of my color from Eben, and I'm also going in with the Ruby Kisses around the edge line of the wig just to give it a more tone of me. So as you see, I'm showing you that the laces are already cut, and we're going to go in and put it on our head. I like to style mine and see where I'm going to lay it before I put the glue on. So that's what I'm doing right here. I like to measure it. Even though we have already cut it and it has already been in our head, we still got to remeasure it and put it back on our head. So that's what I like to do, just to make sure it's fitted right. So you guys, I use Ghost Bond glue, and that's what I'm going to go in. I use the original. I go in and I'm going to do 4 layers of this glue around my edge line. And I like to go in with thick layers because I sweat. So your girl be doing a lot of videos, so you got to make sure that the wig is in contact when you got to be doing all what you be doing. You feel what I'm saying? So I like to go in with 4 layers, and my layers be thick as you see, and I like to go so close, not close, but I like to go a little further away from my stocking cap just to give it more room when I get ready to lay it down. I won't have to apply more glue if it's not in the right spot that I don't want it in, if you get what I'm saying. So I like to go around with my popsicle stick, and I used to just go measure it and lay it down flat until, baby, we get the glue evenly and flat as possible. So when I go in with that blow dryer, baby, it's clear as possible, like crystal clear. You feel me?
Close your eyes to get away. Just pay my night and I'll arrange it.
So you guys, since we've seen what we did on the first step, we're going to skim through the second through the 4th step. And as you're watching, just continue and enjoy the music.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things kind of life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck is chess games. Can shorty stay with calculated moves like Beth Harmon. Swear I'm more purple rain prince than Prince Charming. Disappointment I stay expecting, and the pessimist gold medalist flush the magnum just so they not collecting my specimens down. The way she with Poppy, man, you would think she's a veteran on remembrance. Cleaning lady, sweep the room daily for all the evidence. Everything I ever did. Do they have a pool there? Do they have a gym there? You used to do skincare, but now you do swimwear. Your ex-roommate got a condo that's downtown, but she got no furniture in her crib. I've been there. Checkmate, even though you hate that I still get an E for effort. Only time I play the back and forth is a Leah record. If I let you talk first and nobody is speaking second. Fluent in passive aggression, that's why you acting dismissive. Hearing me out for once will require you actually listen. Damn, the boy is back, I never turn my back. I just see is my back. Say that damn Maybach bands with me in the back. When I wasn't accurate, I still couldn't clean on my act. Whenever I tell the truth, you feel like you being attacked. And that come with being attached, so how about we leave it at that?
If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all.
So y'all, when I get ready to lay my wig down, as you see, I am about to lay this thing down really, really slowly. And the only reason why I do that because it is an already cut lace. And baby, you can fold this lace, you can put it in the wrong spot, you can put it up too far. You can just do so much wrong with an already cut lace. I just want to pay attention to make sure that I don't put it in the wrong spot. Because as you see, I am already finna get ready to pull it up and just put it in the right spot because I did not feel like it was in the right spot. That's why I always give myself that extra layer of glue when I feel like I need to pull it up some or pull it back some, because you can always wipe it off. You get what I'm saying? So that's why I always give myself a little extra room of glue so I won't have to reapply on top of up under the wig and then it just messes everything up. So I just try to be precautious and do that step the way that I do it. But I go in and I just literally lay the wig down so slowly. I use my finger to go around the edge line to make sure everything is right and where I want to lay it. And then I also go in with my comb with the silver part and I rub that against the edge line to make sure that it's laid. And I also go in with the teeth just to press down and put pressure on it just to make sure that it stays before I get ready to wrap the band around it.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what?
So now that I am done making sure that my wig is laid down and that isn't in place, I am going to get ready to style it and get ready to lay these baby hairs down. You feel me? When I tell y'all I am not an expert on these baby hairs, your girl just go with the flow and try to. I done watched a lot of tutorials and I see that you got to flick that wrist a little bit. I'm learning as I'm going as I install each wig. But at this moment, these baby hairs ain't your friend. You feel what I'm saying? They is not your friend.
It is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips. Giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual.
Now, this is what I feel like the pro about in reinstalling your wig. Baby, you already got the baby hairs cut. You feel what I'm saying? All I got to do is go find them baby hairs that I already swooped. Will try to flick that wrist too. And just go retry to flick that wrist again. Because trying to recut them and doing all this other stuff, we ain't got time for that. Baby, go find them same baby hairs that you done already cut and re-flip them. You feel what I'm saying? Re-flip them. And in this case, I don't know if it's me or my wrist or the flat arm because, baby, these baby hairs wasn't flipping right. I don't know if it's this wrist wasn't getting it, but they was not flipping right. Something wrong with this wrist or my mama just never taught me how to do this type of stuff. You feel what I'm saying? Just, ugh. We went in with our Shea Moisture Frizz Control mousse that we put on the baby hair after we did the hot comb, and now we're gonna go in with our got to be glued and sprayed it just so it make it easier for us to swoop it a little bit. You feel what I'm saying? Because you can't swoop on dry hair, so it just makes it so easier just to swoop it. But your girl, for some reason, she just can't swoop. But you know, just keep watching, y'all, and let me show you how I did try to swoop this little thing right here. Baby, the wrist ain't even going. Just keep watching, y'all. Well, it was so many times I wanted to give up, baby, but I just said, you know what, I'm gonna do this for the family and just keep going, because that baby hair wasn't going. I was like, it ain't gonna be no more baby hairs after this, because I don't know what's wrong with this wrist, reason why I cannot flick it and to get these baby hairs where they need to be. But it's coming together, y'all, I promise you. I just don't step out no any type of way. I'm gonna make sure them baby hairs is right, but my motto is always, it doesn't matter, because the hair gonna cover it. You feel me? My bang is gonna cover them ugly baby hairs. I ain't worried about it. I know I've been gone for a while, and I'm coming back on here like ain't nothing ever happened, but y'all, your girl been going through it. Life has been kicking it, and I swear depression is real. I ain't never been going through depression before. This is my first time ever just experiencing it, and when I tell you it takes a toll on me, it takes a toll on my family, on my life, just everything, and I just be giving up on just everything. So y'all, I just don't be caring sometimes. But y'all, at this point, I was just like, I am not about to do another baby hair on the other side as long as it took me just to do the first one. But I just went ahead and did it because I was like, it ain't gonna look right without the second one. So let's go ahead and finesse this second one. You feel what I'm saying? Continue watching, y'all.
She from the jungle. She from the jungle. I take somebody else's car. Try to undercover. This shit is everything to me. This shit is everything.
I was kind of surprised at myself on this one, y'all, because I did this one kind of fast, and I swooped that thing like I just knew what I was doing, but she was still ugly, but I made it look like she was the perfect baddie walking on the street. You feel what I'm saying? I always like to go in with a little bit got to be glue, you know what I'm saying, just to give it a little stick, a little hold, so it won't go nowhere before I put my little scarf around it, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm gonna do around my edges, and we're gonna make sure that it's laid, and then we're gonna put the band on it. Boom. You feel me?
Go to school and do bottle service. They can't decide to keep switching majors. Being indecisive makes me anxious. Call your number and it's out of service. Who can I call for your information? What am I supposed to do after we done everything that we done? Who is your replacement?
This point, y'all, all we doing right now, we are just styling the hair. You feel what I'm saying? I'm just going around and getting all the flyaways, making sure it's flat, making sure I got it on the side that I want it on with the part and everything. And I'm just gonna give it that little oomph at the top that I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's all we're doing right now. So just keep watching, because we about to get ready to style it, and I just want y'all to see how I style my hair. So yeah.
Can never die, got a lit spirit. Billy on my mind, 99 digits. Cheated one easy, now we no limit. Bitch, I did the time, this is not a gimmick.
I love my wax stick. It gets all the flyaways away. I love the shine it gives to it, baby. It's just the perfect item that you can ever put on the wig after you install it. You feel what I'm saying? Right before you get ready to put that hot comb to it. Baby, you got to get some wax to get on top of that head. Wax your head like you wax your, ooh. I'm a face of the city, bitch. That's why you mad. curling my hair, y'all, I like to part it down the middle, and I like to take each side and just curl piece by piece. And that's just how I do it, and it just makes my day. Like, I don't know any other way to do it. That's just how I do mine.
See myself with daily. I'm gonna be cautious when I take the class again. I'm so high for that shit.
So you guys, I just wanted to show you one piece of my hair when I curled it and how long it takes. I literally leave it on there for like a good 10 seconds before I take it off. But we're going to skim through the rest of the hair so it won't be a longer video than what it's supposed to be. And I just wanted to show you guys how your girl does it. So you know what I'm saying? So let's keep watching. And yeah.
We gon' pop like some pop rock, and I have it rock, like I'm playing house, yeah. And I think I own the sun, so many imposters. We gon' let them do the show and then we rob some. 40 rearrange your time more time than Dennis Rodman. Nigga said, ooh, when it in my fucking bag. In the UFO, in the shotty was a shot. Come on, watch him farewell, like my name was Ricky Bobby. Like my name was Ricky Bobby. I'ma wish you farewell, like Ricky Bobby. What's I mean, welfare, Ricky Bobby. I'ma get the pain and did it stop me.
Now, I told y'all them baby hairs wasn't nothing, but we gonna make it do what it do anyway. Like I said, the hair gonna cover it. That's my motto. I ain't even worried about it or tripping with it. But we going in with that famous Bio Silk, baby. We gonna put a little dime in the hand, and we just gonna go up throughout the hair and finger comb the wet curls out before we use the comb. That's just how I like to do mine. It just give it a more volume and a more body to me. And I just love it. So, you know, keep watching, you guys, and watch for the final result. As you see, y'all, all I'm doing right now is just playing with my hair because I'm trying to get that bang as crisp and as beautiful and as flowy and as puffy as possible. And I do that because, girl, I feel like my forehead is just like the biggest dome that you can ever see. You feel what I'm saying? So I'll be trying to cover that thing up because nobody be knowing what's up under this wig. That's why we got these wigs to cover this stuff up. But yeah, y'all, your girl is tweaking this wig and I'm just loving the results. So you guys, if you are loving this install, you loving this color, because your girl is a color person. I do a lot of installs and I do a lot of color. So if you love this, head on to the other videos that we have on this channel and check those out. In the meantime, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you, and I love you guys. See you in my next video, and we are out. Don't forget to subscribe.